Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper honeysuckle plant. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with a template to cut this with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. First, cut all the buds and the honeysuckle with the center all on cream or white cardstock paper. You could try different colors, but I wanted to make them in this white and yellow color. They also come in pink, so you could try that as well. I color all the buds with this yellow-green pan pastel, and then I also add a little on the pointy tips of the honeysuckle on the bottom. I also added green markers on the tallest tip of the center, and go back with yellow markers for the rest of the center. I do this all before I take things off the mat, and now you could see the color variations of each piece here. Some of the flowers I decided to just keep pure white. Then have the floral wire ready with 24 gauge floral wire and make a loop on the end. We'll start with the honeysuckle flowers. There will be a little tab on the side of the one piece that's by itself. Fold that in. It will look like a thin triangle. Then curl the single piece, just having the sides curled towards you, and on the bigger side as well. Then open back up and curl back the tips. Then when you are ready, you could glue it with hot glue to attach. And I use this poking tool to make sure that the glue is secured inside, and slightly poke through the bottom so we could put the floral wire with the loop onto the flower. Then add a little hot glue on the looped end and fully bring the floral wire down. Then grab the center that we colored the edges green on the tallest one and yellow on the rest. I used this quilling tool and curl the center as tight as possible, starting on the end with the green tip first. Then I press the bottom to slightly flatten that part. Then add glue and add into the flower. I used the poking tool again to set this center into the flower. I made a total of 10 of these flowers for the single stem of honeysuckle, but you could add more or less. I've seen smaller clusters, so it could be less full than the 10. Next will be the buds. It will have the same tab on one side, and fold that in and glue that so it can create the cone on the bottom, and you want the yellow side on the outside. Then open the petals back and add the looped wire and add glue to the loop and attach it to the flower. Then I use white glue for this and glue the petals together. It should meet nicely together. Then I use this shaping ball tool and this mat that I'll link below and roll the edges of the petal. It should curve up naturally, and that is our bud. I also made about 10 of these. Next will be the leaves. There should be pairs, and I adjusted the sizes to be all different, and I folded down the middle with the pair stacked and add white glue and add a straight floral wire and sandwich with the other pair and hold it down until the glue is set. And while holding it down, you could shape the leaves by slightly curling the tips. I made about 10 of these leaves as well. When you are ready with every piece, you could start putting this together, starting with the buds. Use floral tape and gather all the buds. I don't really go down the wire. I just floral tape a few times here and there at the same place. Then you could adjust the buds so they are all curling towards the center and evenly spread out around. Then below that, add the flowers. I did naturally go down just a little bit, but they are all clustered in one spot. Then floral tape down the wire and add the leaves, starting with small ones, and you could do 2 leaves or a group of 3. Then go down about an inch or so and add another group of leaves and floral tape the rest of the stem. I made these as a custom order and love the texture of these and how it pairs with other paper flowers that you could check out on my channel. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.